All right, FJ45, let's customize it. I've got a couple of these FJ45s. I would like to customize it. Let's do the painful part and open it. All right, here she is. And as you can see, it's got bed rails that I don't want. I'm tempted to actually take the roof off and fold the windshield forward. But first thing I'm gonna do, drill out the rivets. All right, so I gotta file down these doors because with the roof off it will look better. I've also modified this interior. I've took this door panels off. I cut the sides out here, like in the floor, because it needs that to work in here. So what will end up being the floor is this panel. So I'm gonna file these out. It'll take a bit of elbow grease. I wish I had better files. All right, lots of filing later. This is the full Safari edition. I'm thinking patina. And check this out. I had to, like I said, cut the sides off. But when you drop this on all the way, let's get it with one hand here. The cool thing is, under the seat here, the bracing for the body actually looks like the seat bracing in the real one. That works out all right. I also bought this multi-pack, but it'll allow for this truck to get a set of wheels either off of this one or this one. And I just bought this, $7 Canadian, cheap enough. Plus I get a cool Jeep Gladiator. So yeah, we may as well go 33-inch, 37-inch tires. And I think it'll be pretty cool. All right, so I think we're gonna use the wheels off of this guy to put on my FJ45. So we'll designate it here. As you can tell, there's a bit of foreshadow. And this is pretty cool. Jeep Gladiator. I will definitely be, I'm not a Jeep guy, but it's the one that I like. And a Wagoneer. I'm not sure what I'll do with that yet. But if you put big wheels on it, it gets pretty cool. All right, I'm gonna use these wheels on my FJ45. So I'm gonna drill out the rivets. Right, there's the wheel and tire upgrade. So what I'm gonna do is inside here, just cut those little clips. And use a little glue to fasten the new axle in there. So here's the moment of truth. Do they fit? Ooh, that's gonna look cool. Here's the rough look. It needs to come up in the front. It needs a lift. So I'm gonna have an idea for that. So to get a lift, I'm gonna run the cutoff disc inside there. I'll be right back. So now I'll have to glue it for sure, but you can see where I've run the cutoff disc in there. What that will allow us to do then is drop the wheels in. It'll give us a good 4-inch lift kit here. Now when it hangs down, we got the lift we need up front. So I'm going to glue those in actually right away. There we go. This is going to be the glue I'm using. It's for rubber tires on remote controls. And then there's a quick set. It's a CA type glue. And I think I might glue these. It doesn't need to be a roller. I might glue these axles in place, keep them centered. Start with that here. Just a little bit. Get it in the axle. Quick dry. Do the same on this side, because I hate it when you put big wheels on something and then they keep moving in and out. I'll do the same on these back guys. There we go, glued in place. Got a nice lift to it. We're gonna start with painting these guys. I got this cool stand a while back. You can tell it's done a bunch of painting. And I've got my color picked here. It's just from this craft line. And it's a satin turquoise water, so I think it's perfect for this. You can see the red primer shining through, I guess. Now I'm gonna leave a red tailgate on there because we might as well have a couple mismatched panels from all those off-roading adventures that they do. This guy's gonna do. Has done. finished. I am super happy with this. If I can find a mountain bike, I'll throw it in the box yet. Maybe a little rust on the underside. So when you look from there, you can kind of see it. A little bit of rust there. And you know, it's gonna have a 4BT in it. Get her up on here. There. All right, guys, we don't do Hot Wheels often, but sometimes I want to do something different. That was fun. Thanks for watching. And as always, get in your shop, maybe in your hobby space, get your stuff done, and have some fun doing it. See you guys.